Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video, and today I have the Tecno Camon 30s. And guys, this is a new mid-range phone from Tecno, and this is the successor of the Tecno Camon 30, which is already launched in the Pakistan market, as you know. So it's the box of the Tecno Camon 30s. On the box it says Tecno AI, so this phone has some AI features. Also we have a 256 GB of internal storage with 8 GB of RAM. So on the back we have some more specification about the phone. We have 50 megapixel OIS main camera. Also we have new Helio G100 SoC. On the front we have 6.7 inch 120 Hz AMOLED display. This one has a curved AMOLED display. We also have in-display fingerprint scanner. So without any wasting time, let's see what is Tecno Camon 30 has to offer. Also, this is the black color of the Tecno Camon 30, and this phone is also manufactured in Pakistan, so which is a good thing. And this phone is costing around 60,000 PKR. So I would say that the price of the Tecno Camon 30s, it is really good, because 040 Chrome Infinix has the same Helio G100, and that phone is around 70,000 PKR. So let's open this box like this. So we have grayish mini box. So on the top we have this envelope. On the front it says Camon. So inside this envelope we have a tempered glass. Also we have some stickers with 1-year warranty card, and lastly we have a silicone case which is a transparent one. And below there, here is our Tecno Camon 30s in the black color, obviously. So now let's start from this box, and now let's start from this plastic. As you can see, here is the black color of the Tecno Camon 30s looks like. So on the back we have a matte finish, which I like. Also on the back we have a circular shape camera layout, in which we have 50 megapixel OIS main camera. So the back is also curved. Even the front it is curved because we have curved AMOLED display. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. And also this is the cheapest phone, I would say, in the Pakistan market that give you a curved 120 Hz AMOLED display. So inside there, here's our charger. And guys, and this is a 33 watt super fast charger we have. Also we have our cable, which is a USB type C to USB-E cable. And now let's put all these things is to the side. So guys, that is the first boot of the Tecno Camon 30s. And guys, in first impression about the display quality, again this one has a curved 120 Hz AMOLED display. So let's see the max brightness. So the display looks very bright, which is a really good thing, as you can see. So here is the notification panel looks like. We have new iOS on this phone. So let's go to the about phone. So this phone is running on Android 14. Also we have iOS version 14.5. We have 256 GB of internal storage out of 19.76 GB it is already used. So let's see the in-display fingerprint scanner. So the fingerprint scanner, it works absolutely fast. So here are the pre-installed apps we have in this phone. So let's look at the camera. And this one has a 50 megapixel OIS main camera, and also we have 100 megapixel mode. So here is the video mode. So we have ultra steady mode. So the back camera maximum shoot only 1440p at 30 fps. We also have ultimate video enhancement feature. Even the bokeh mode also available with the back camera. And here is the act portrait feature. Here is a normal portrait mode. Here's a super night mode. In the portrait mode we have different focal length, so which is a good thing. In the mode section, here is our slow motion, and here is our dual view video mode. We also have pro mode, air shot, documents. So all those things it is available. So let's look at the front facing camera. So this one has a 13 megapixel selfie camera. So here's the night mode, portrait mode, normal, and here's the video mode. And the front camera also shoot only 1440p at 30 fps. Ultra steady mode also available, and also the ultimate video enhancement. Even the bokeh mode with the front facing camera, and the slow motion it is not available with the front facing camera. And now let's talk about the battery size. Again this one has a 5000 mAh battery size with 33 watt super fast charging. So combined with the new Helio G100 SoC, and this phone should give you at least 1 day of battery life on heavy use without any problem. Overall, I have to say that I am really impressed by the design language of the Tecno Camon 30. This phone feels really premium in the hand. That's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Tecno Camon 30s. And do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram as well as on X, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.